Hello, this is my brand new bloom pan. Hello, this is my brand new bloom pan. Look, it looks red, but it's actually orange. It's orange. So let's have a look. Sideways, blue, and red. Just done it in the middle. Then all the way, the rest of it round is orange, like so. Just got this frilly bit of orange. So it looks like this. Three S clips.